Alright, let's get started on how we create a database. One of the great reasons why we like to use this feature in our App Lab tool is it's a way to collect data within our app, and it's also a way to check it. So we can use that in order to find out information, to log in, or to register somebody. There's a lot of great uses for it. So let's begin. The first thing that we want to do is we want to switch into design mode. Now in design mode, what we're going to do is we're going to create a simple set of text inputs today. So you can choose other ways to do this, but for now we're going to do a text input, and I'm going to call this one first name input. And I'm going to put a placeholder inside it. This is just information that's going to appear on the screen with it. And so I'm going to say enter your first name. So now you can see that we have a box in here, and it is ID'd to be first name. Okay, first name input. And now we're going to put two more boxes similar to that one. So we're going to do last name input, and we'll say enter your last name. And maybe I'd like to also collect their email address. So I will put another box in here and call this email input and enter your email address. Now that we have these three text input boxes, we need also something that will trigger the program to collect the information that's in there. So the easiest way is to add a button, and I'm going to put a button right here, and I'm going to call this the submit button. And I'm actually going to put the word submit, and what's going to happen is over here I will now have a button that says submit, that when I program it I will have it so that it collects the data from here and adds